Yo. What's this media studies all about anyway? I'll tell you what it's all about. It's a 2-year course that looks at all aspects of the media, from newspapers and magazines to television, film and computer games. Sounds to me like you just sit around all day and watch films and stuff. Are you mad? No. It's about understanding the media, looking at ideology, genre, media companies and much more. Like what? Like making your own website or filming your own short television show. So, how is the course run? Well, you have 2 units in year 1 and another 2 units in year 2. 1 exam and 1 coursework unit for both. In year 1 you will study representation in the media and create your own website or magazine. It's a very popular course. But don't ask me. If you've got any more questions, why not ask the teachers, dude? Safe, man. I think this is the course for me. But I will ask the teachers, just in case.